So for that you have to open Discord, or you can open Discord in your web browser or smartphone as well. The layout is quite similar. In here you will find user settings. Click on that. Then you will have to click on edit user profile. You will find change avatar option here and here as well. You have to click on that, and you have to click on upload file. You can try animated avatar of Discord, which are some default avatar available in Discord, or you can simply click on upload file and choose your own image. So from here you have to select the image you want to set as your profile image. You have to browse your computer and find the image or select the image you want to choose as your profile image. Then you have to click on open. So I'm gonna choose this one and click on open, and you can skip cropping, or you can simply crop. You can use this slider, and after all this you have to click on apply. So you can reposition like this, and you have to click on apply. So once you have done that, you will find the option that careful, you have unsaved changes and reset and save changes. You have to click on save changes. Your profile image will be saved, as you can see here. So that's how you can basically change your Discord profile image. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.